Aryan. So, Piyush and Aryan, are you guys ready? Has the recording started?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, okay. So, Satyam, today we are going to solve a very interesting dynamic programming problem which was asked in Uber OA in August 22. So, I'm sending the link in the chat. I want you guys to open and read that problem. Okay?
Okay.
So, Satyam and others, if you guys receive the link to the problem in the chat, please let me know. Yes or no. Then we'll start discussing the problem.
Yes, I got.
Yeah, yeah. Now, just a second. I will. I want you guys to read that problem for some time, and then I will start my screen sharing soon. Okay. So let me see. Okay. So Satyam, I am sharing my screen. You please let me know if my screen is visible. Okay. Is my screen visible, Satyam?
No. Yeah, yeah.
Is it visible now, Satyam?
Yes, Bhaiya.
So let's go through the question. What is the question saying, Satyam? Like you might have attended the yesterday session also, right, Satyam?
Yes.
So today's question is nothing but the slight variation of yesterday's problem. You might have felt that while reading the question. So
Yeah.
basically, we have two arrays, right, Satyam, of size n, right, Satyam?
Yes.
We have to select at each index one element, and finally we have to maximize the final sum of all elements, right?
Yeah.
But yesterday the condition was what, that you cannot select two or more elements in a consecutive format, right?
Yeah.
But today the condition has changed. What is the different condition, Satyam? You cannot select
Three or more
three
than.
or more than three elements consecutively from the same array. For basically, like if you had to select one element from each index to get the maximum sum, obviously you would select 10 every time, right, Satyam?
Yeah.
But you cannot do that because you will be selecting 10 from the second array, and selecting three tens from the second array is not allowed. So what is the correct solution for this? Select 10 from here, 10 from here, and 5 from here. You will get 25 as the maximum possible sum. Got it, Satyam and
Okay.
everyone? Like, is this clear? Piyush, Satyam, Deepika, I want yes from you guys.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, very good. So let's make our arrays B and array C. Okay. So what basically the question is saying na, that at each index you have to select any one element of your choice. Okay. Index 1, index 2, index 3, index 4, index 5. But say at index 4 you select C, then you can select index you can select element C at index 3, but you cannot again select this C element at index 2. More than 3 consecutive is not allowed. Is this clear, Satyam? This is not allowed. I will
Yes.
give you guys some configurations. You guys must let me know that is this allowed or not allowed. Okay. So say I select this. Satyam and Deepika, is it allowed? Yes or no?
Yeah. It is
Satyam,
Yes.
is
allowed.
it allowed?
Allowed.
Yes. This is allowed. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now let me know, guys. Is this allowed? Is this allowed?
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah.
Yes.
Is this allowed?
Yes.
No.
Yes.
I
It is
think.
Yes,
allowed.
sir. Allowed.
Yes.
It
Allowed.
is also allowed. Is
Yeah.
this allowed?
No.
No.
Once you get
No.
three guys at the same place, now this is not allowed. Got it?
Not
Is
allowed.
it clear, guys? Got
Okay.
it now? Simple
Hmm.
trick.
Yeah.
Yes.
So basically, question is saying the basic funda is that select one element at each index and maximize the final sum. But never select more than three elements in one go from the same place. Got it? Clear, Satyam?
Okay.
Clear, Deepika? Clear,
Yeah.
Piyush? Clear, Aryan?
Yeah.
Okay. So I hope this much is clear. Okay. So yesterday you might be remembering that for solving a problem like this, we made a DP array, right, Deepika and Satyam? For
Yeah.
Yes.
we were having B and C, we made what? DP B array, and we
B.
made DP C
C.
array, right?
CRA. Yeah.
So what DPB was doing, it means the best answer to the question if at the ith index you are selecting the element at from the B array, right?
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
what is the meaning? What was the meaning of? Acha, let me write it in the doc itself. Now, where is the Google Doc? Yeah. What was the meaning of dp of b? Can anyone tell me dp of b of I? Deepika.
B of I plus max of DP
Yeah,
of.
first I'm just writing the meaning. Best answer to the question is
Acha, acha. Okay.
in normal words. Like first the definition should be clear, no? For people who never attended
Yeah.
before.
Yeah,
So
yeah, yeah.
best answer to the question if size of array is I. Anything else you want to add, Deepika, to this definition? Best answer to the question if size of array is I and you have selected B element at ith index. Is this clear, Satyam and Deepika and Piyush?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Now, guys, I want one of you to tell me the definition of DPC of I. Can anyone tell me this? It will
Size
be same.
is I, and we have to select a seat element.
Yeah, same to same as above. But at the ith index, which element we have to select, Deepika? C.
C. Yeah.
C.
Matlab element from array C basically. Okay, we are calling it C element. Okay, so I hope you guys know what is the meaning of B element and C element, right? Right, guys?
Yes.
So yeah, this much is clear. But this time, na, there is a catch. We cannot directly use this. I will explain why. Because guys, last time na, we only had to keep track of last two elements, right? Like we just had to keep track that this and these are not consecutive, right, Deepika? But now, Deepika and
Yeah, yeah.
Satyam, we have to keep track of last two elements. Do you agree or not?
Yes.
Last two basically
Last
knowing that
Yes.
you should
Yeah.
not be. You can say last two or last three. Got it?
last three.
So the
Yes.
DP
Okay.
states
Yeah.
which we make na will be keeping track of last two elements. I will explain how. Okay. So let's say now we make special DP states. Okay, Satyam.
Yeah.
Just assume Deepika and Satyam that we are at index I. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay.
What will be the index above index I?
I minus 1. I minus 2.
Okay. And till where will it go? 1.
I minus.
Right, Satyam and Deepika and Piyush? Clear?
Yeah.
Yes.
So guys, this is array B and this is array C, right? Yes or no,
Yes.
guys? Yes or no,
Yeah,
guys?
yeah, yeah.
So basically, I want to find the answer of dp b of I, but there is one more catch now. The catch is that I want this state. State means say, let's call this as one column and let's call it as second column. Clear, Deepika, Satyam?
Okay.
I am
Okay.
saying that I want to select the last element as this and the second last element as this. Got it?
Yeah.
Let's assume. तो इसका आंसर क्या होगा? DP of I 1 1 1 1 का meaning. What is the meaning of DP of I 1 1? It means that best answer to the question if we are at the ith index and we are selecting I and I minus first index at the end. Okay, this is the meaning of that thing. Clear, Satyam and Deepika?
Okay.
डीपी मैं चाहता हूँ कि तुम लोग को क्लियर हो कि डीपीआई 1 1 का मतलब क्या है. डीपीआई 1 1 का मतलब है कि वो वाली स्टेट जिसमें लास्ट में हम दोनों एलिमेंट्स बी वाले सिलेक्ट करते हैं. क्लियर? क्लियर, दीपिका? क्लियर, सत्यम?
Yeah.
I haven't got this. Like, what? Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Just a second. Guys, am I audible?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
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 Guys, is my screen visible?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, let me explain, Deepika. The meaning of dpb of I is clear. Now forget 1 comma 1. This is clear.
Yeah. That is clear.
Now 1 comma 1 basically means that you are selecting that state wherein you are selecting last two elements compulsorily. That's the only meaning of 1 comma 1. This is also 1,
Okay.
this is also 1. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
The
Yeah,
other
yeah,
state
got it,
will
got
be
it.
what? Now you can use common sense. One was 1 comma 1, other
Achha.
will be what? 1 comma 2.
Yeah, got it, got it.
In
Yeah.
one state you might select this and this, na x. One is vertical line, one is x diagonal line. Got it?
Achha. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
तो these are the two possibilities. Clear, सत्यम? कौन सी दो possibilities की बात कर रहा हूँ? अगर if I am at index I तो मेरे पास क्या choices है? एक तो ये दोनों select कर लूँ, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
जब
Yeah.
ये दोनों सिलेक्ट करते तो स्टेट को क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग? उसको हम कहते हैं डीपी बी ऑफ आई ऑफ 1,
1, 1.
क्योंकि ये भी 1 है और ये भी 1 है, ये भी मतलब बोथ आर ऑफ कॉलम नंबर 1. क्लियर? क्लियर सत्यम? क्लियर दीपिका?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now similarly, like this is really hard problem, but I want to make my students understand all the hard problem, so I am not going to give up. So this is I minus 1. What is the other option, Satyam and Deepika? We select this and this. Yes or no, Satyam and Deepika?
This.
Yeah.
This was 1 and this was 2. So what will be its name? Can anybody tell me? DPB
Of
I
I 1, 2.
2, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now let's come here again. I minus 1. This is I. This is B. This is C. We call it as 1 also, call it as 2 also. Two names, right? We selected
Okay.
this, but you guys forgot this one. This is also a state, right? What will be its name? DPC of I of
2 2.
perfect. 2
Yeah.
2.
2, 2. Yeah.
Similarly, guys, any more state you can say DPC of I of?
2 1.
2 1.
2,
2,
Now,
1.
first you have to say 1, then 2. Okay?
1, 2.
1 2. What you have to say? 1
1,
2. 1 2 is what, guys? Can anybody tell me? 1 2 is this element plus this element. पहले 1 आया ना ऊपर, तो पहला 1 बोलेंगे, कंफ्यूजन नहीं करना. ठीक है? 1
Okay.
2. So this is the state. So Deepika, do you agree that we have 4 states this time?
Yeah.
Yeah, I want each one of you to write it in your book, or else you guys will forget. Name of the first state, can anybody tell me? DPB of I of 1
1
1.
1.
Then DPB of I of 1.
2.
Then DP
P
C
of
of
C. 2, 2.
I of
2 2.
2 2, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
2 2. Then DP C of
C of I of
1
1,
2.
2.
1
Yeah.
2, right? Yeah. Just a second. Huh? Okay. So guys, I hope this much is clear. Okay, na? This basically means which element we are selecting at the start and at the end. Okay. You guys can change the meaning as required for this. Okay. Now let's think how can we write the transition states for this. Okay. So I want you guys to think for a minute, and then we will discuss actually what we have to write. Okay. Like we will be discussing the formula for these things. It is very important to discuss the formula, guys. Okay. Like basically, let me go and check what can we do here. So guys, let's assume we have this array B, and let's just for the namesake, let's call it D. It will become easy for us. Okay. Clear, Satyam and Deepika?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's say this is the index I. This is index what, Satyam and Deepika?
I minus 1.
And this is what?
I
I
minus 2.
minus 2.
Okay. Now, guys, do you rather than saying B and D, we can directly say DP of I of 1 comma 1. Okay, now you don't need to write B every time here. Clear, Satyam and what we say, Deepika? Don't need to write 1 again and again. If we write B and C, it becomes a bit more complicated. So let's just write DPI of 1 comma 1. You know now that its meaning is what? We selected these two, right, Deepika?
Yeah.
You know, guys, why we are doing this? So we can keep the track of last two elements. If you will be able to keep track of last two elements, then you will be able to solve the problem, because we have to see if 3 are coming in same row or not. Agree or not, guys? Right?
Yeah,
Can
yeah.
anyone tell me? Can anyone tell me what will be the answer of DPI 1 1? One thing is sure that these two elements will come. Can you guys tell me what is the name of this element? This is B of I plus. Arey bolo, this is B of I minus 1, right? B of I minus 1, right? Plus, I would say now it is very much interesting, guys. Okay. If you selected these two elements, with which DPs can you join this element? You can join it with either the DP I minus 2 where you are selecting these two, or where you are selecting these two. Yes or no, guys? So what will be the name of these two things? Now it is very much important to write. Let me write the state very much clearly. Uh, let's go down. Let's go down. So what we say, Deepika, DPI of one is this much clear? This much B of I plus B of I minus one. Is
Yeah.
this much clear? Satyam and Deepika.
Yeah.
Now what I just want to say now, that once I have selected these two elements, now I have only two choices. I can either take the state which had these two elements at I minus 2 or which had these two elements at I minus 2. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
Yeah.
So we already know these values, right? This will be what? dp I minus 2, 2 comma 2 and dp I minus 2, 2 comma 1. Okay.
Mm.
Plus we will take maximum of those two, right? Because you want the maximum answer, right, Deepika and Satyam?
Yeah.
So dp I minus 2, 2 comma 2 and second will be dp I minus 2. You guys can see that like yesterday Satyam was saying that that is an easy problem, right? Now,
Yes.
if a person who has not done that problem and I directly give him this problem and tell him there are 30 minutes in an OA, do you think it will be easy for him, guys?
No. No.
Yeah, so
No.
never underestimate any problem. So dpi minus 2 2. What is the meaning of 2 2? It means that after taking these two, we took 2 and we took 2. Clear, Satyam, Deepika?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the other choice is you take 2 here and take 1 here. This makes sure कि कहीं भी 3 नहीं होगा एक साथ. Clear?
Mm.
Yeah.
So dp I minus 2 1. Guys, is this formula clear to everyone? Please write yes in the chat. Please write yes in the chat, guys. Clear, Satyam and Deepika? Clear? Is my screen visible? Am I audible?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, भैया.
Guys.
Yeah.
Now is the most important formula. Once this is clear, now I don't need to explain anything anymore. Guys, DPI 11 की तो बात कर ली, DPI 12 की कोई बात नहीं कर रहा, ठीक है? क्या किया था हमने सत्यम? What did we discuss? DPI of 11. क्या? What did we discuss, Satyam and Deepika?
DPI of 1 1.
This is 1, this is 2. So we are at index I. Then what comes here, Satyam, Deepika? I minus 1. Then
I minus 1.
I minus 2.
okay. Now dp of what do you want to discuss? dp of I of 1 comma 2. 1 comma 2. It means what? You select this element, then
Yeah.
yes or no, guys?
Yes.
Yeah.
Now you know what are the choices. अब यहाँ पर तुम क्या select कर सकते हो? या तो ये दोनों कर लो, ठीक है? Right? Yes or no, guys? So what is the name of this?
Yes.
What is the name of this? What is the name of this? The name of this will be dp I minus 2.
TP of I minus 2 1 1.
1 comma 1, right? So let me write it here only. dp of I of 1 of 2 equal to starting के दो एलिमेंट तो बहुत इजी है गाइस, ये तो तुम लोग को आना चाहिए. ये बताओ स्टार्टिंग के दो एलिमेंट्स कौन से हैं?
D of I, D of I
DP of
minus
I.
b of I plus
1. D of I minus 1.
1. ठीक है, इतना क्लियर है सत्यम एंड दीपिका? अब मैक्स लिखते हैं.
Yes.
अब इनको हम किसके साथ जोड़ सकते हैं ना, वो जानना है. Got it, guys? We want to find out with which DP states we can join this state. This is the most important thing about DP. ठीक है? See guys, I never discuss problem which are very standard and known to everyone. I discuss different ones ताकि तुम लोग का दिमाग खुले थोड़ा, ठीक है? So Satyam and Deepika, we were discussing what? DPI of 1 of 2, right, Satyam?
Yes.
We selected this and this, right, Satyam, Deepika?
Yeah.
Yes.
Now we can join it with this state, right? This state. What is the name of this state? I want someone to say. इसका नाम क्या है? dp I minus 2.
TP of I minus 2 1 1.
So I am writing this, Satyam, Deepika. dp of I minus 2 1 1.
1 1.
1.
Guys,
Yeah.
but there is one more state which we can use.
TP of I minus 2 1 2.
1 2. dp of I minus 2.
1 2.
Guys, but there is यहाँ पर ही तो game है. There is one more state which you guys missed. We can select this and this also.
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes, भैया.
So what is the name of this dp of I minus 2?
1
dp
2.
of I minus 2, 2 comma 1.
Sorry, 2 1.
2 1. dp of I minus 2.
2
dp
comma.
of I minus 2.
2 2 1.
Okay, guys, this much is clear. Now, there is one more state, but उसको मैंने नहीं लिया. You could choose this and this also. इसको क्या बोलते हैं हम? dp of I minus 2, 2 comma
2.
but इसको नहीं ले सकते, तीनों हो जाएंगे ना एक साथ.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Guys, did you understand why I did not
Yes.
include dp of I minus 1, 2 comma 2? Because if I select these two ना, it will join with this element, it will become 3. 3 को ना लिखा हुआ है, it is written. Don't take 3 or more than 3. Okay? Clear, guys?
Yes.
Yeah.
Clear, Deepika? Clear,
Yes,
everyone?
Bhaiya.
Yeah.
So, guys. DPI 11 is clear. DPI 12 is clear, right?
Yes.
Now only two more states are left. I am not discussing its formula. I want you guys to tell me. So dp of I of कौन सा बाकी रह गया? एक तो 2, 1, right?
Yes.
और कौन सा बाकी रह गया? dp of I of 2, 2, right?
2.
So guys, there is nothing to worry about. This dp of I, 2, 2 ना is very simple. इसमें you don't have to do anything special. ठीक है? जो whatever we were doing for dp of I 11 ना, same thing we have to copy paste here. Just change b of I to d of I. d of I minus 1 to
C
b
of I.
और b और c है, जो बोलना है बोलो. ठीक है? So guys, इतना तो common sense आ गया ना कि if I calculated dp of I of 1, 2 and dp of I of 1, 1, then you will easily be able to calculate dp of I of, guys बोलो क्या नाम है इसका? 2,
2,1
and अरे क्योंकि दोनों सेम ही
dp
चीज
of I
2,
of
2.
बस लेफ्ट राइट
of
चेंज
2,
हो रहा है, बस लेफ्ट राइट
2.
चेंज हो रहा है. तो उसके लिए मुझसे फिर से पूरा फॉर्मूला मत लिखवाओ. ये कह रहा था. ठीक है? बेसिकली हमने ये वाला डिस्कस कर लिया, 1, 2 और एक ये वाला डिस्कस कर लिया, राइट सत्यम, दीपिका?
Yes.
अब हमको ये वाला डिस्कस करना है और ये वाला करना है. ये समझ गए ना क्या बोल रहा हूँ? यही 4 स्टेट्स है डीपी की. बच्चों का ये सब कभी क्लियर हो ही नहीं पाता, वो यहाँ तक पहुंचते ही नहीं है, वो सिर्फ पॉपुलर क्वेश्चन रटते रहते हैं. तो ये सब हो ही नहीं पाएगा, राइट सत्यम, दीपिका? सो
Yes.
guys, all 4 states clear, yes or no, guys?
Yes. Yeah.
So
Yes.
then I will start writing the code. ठीक है ना? Guys, write yes in the chat. Are the 4 states clear, guys? Okay, everyone is writing yes. Good. ठीक है. Guys, let's start writing the code, right? Satyam, Deepika, I'm writing in C++. You guys should guide me if I do something wrong, okay?
Okay.
Mama. Okay. Guys, please stay on mute, हाँ, अगर कोई बीच में आवाज कर रहा है. Satyam, am I audible?
Yes.
Okay. Screen is visible?
Yes.
Okay. Then it's totally fine. Satyam, can you tell me what we have to do initially in the question? Take which input? Size of array, right?
Yeah.
Then Satyam? Hello.
Then we need to take 2 arrays input.
While loop.
अच्छा, okay, very good, thank you. अच्छा वो बता दिया, मुझे आता ही नहीं था. So guys, B and D array I am taking, okay? Don't get confused. B
Okay.
array I will be using 1 based indexing, मुझे 0 पसंद नहीं है. So this is B array, this is D array, okay? Till here everything is clear, Satyam and Deepika?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so let me read the array in B of I. Guys, can anyone copy paste the input and post it in the Google chat so I can directly copy paste in my also screen? If somebody has the time, please do that, okay? Guys, I am declaring a DP array. The maximum size is 10 raised to 5, right? So I will take of this size. Let me take a 3 year. Let me take a 5 year. Good. Let me take 5 only here. I am declaring the DP array above because its size is large and I want I like to declare it like this in globally. Okay, you guys can declare it below also, your choice. Because in CP, if you declare such big things below, you face runtime error. So due to the CP experience, I don't do that. So guys, this much is clear. Satyam, Deepika, Piyush.
Yes.
Yeah.
Guys, I want you to tell me the base cases. Okay, base cases is very easy thing. What would happen if I am only talking about index 1, 1? It is very easy, guys. B of 1. Yes or no, Satyam?
Yes.
Now, DP of 1, 1, 2. This is also B of 1. क्योंकि उसके 1 के पीछे तो कुछ था ही नहीं 0 पे, समझे? क्लियर सत्यम एंड दीपिका?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Deepika, can you tell me dp2 2 1? So it will be d of 1, right Deepika?
Yeah, day of.
Similarly, अच्छा इंडेक्स तो 1 ही है ना गाइस, ये तो बोलना था 1.
1.
First, okay, let me clear what is the meaning of dp state, ठीक है? First state is what guys? Can anyone tell me? It is index, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Index I. Second state is what we say? Second state is generally about अच्छा 1 and 2 ना, ठीक है. Second state and the third state are basically the configurations which we are using. So
Whether we are taking from
1 1 1 2 2 1. Okay, got it. ठीक है. Second one, okay, let me check where is the problem statement. dpi of 1 comma 1 1 comma this was 1, this was okay. This basically explains which element you are taking for b. What we say, column being okay, you can say b or d, whatever. But for now, let me write this state. dp of 1 of can anyone tell me which one is left, guys? Satyam?
2 2.
2 and the answer will be d of 1, right guys?
Yeah.
So now I'm writing the loops. Let's start it from 2, right?
Yes.
So guys, let me write the state. The states will be pretty long, I think. Let me write. So guys, dpi 1 1 we discussed this recently, right? Answer to this is what? Can anyone tell me? It is here already. b of I plus b of I minus 1 plus this, right? Right, Deepika, Satyam?
Yeah.
Yes.
Let me paste it. Let me see if it is proper. b of I plus b of I minus 1 plus max of dp I minus 2 2 comma 2 comma max of dp I minus 2 2 comma 1. Okay, this is pretty much clear. Guys, you know now the second formula is a bit harder, right Satyam? Right Deepika?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What was the second formula? 1 comma 2 का मतलब बेसिकली क्या है कि पहले हम b of I ले रहे हैं, फिर d of I minus 1 ले रहे हैं. यहाँ पर लिखा हुआ था. Okay, dp of I 1 comma 2 means first you are selecting b of I, then you are selecting d of I minus 1.
Day of I minus 1.
Then all the states we are trying to see which one will join. Satyam and Deepika, is it clear? Once we get the formula, everything is simple.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So like these are the things for which people really fear this DP thing. Okay, but I don't want you guys to fear. It is really easy. You just see it clearly. So dp I minus 2 1 1, then dp I minus 2 1 2, then dp I minus 2 2 1. Okay, right? I want now you guys to tell me the answer to this. This is very easy. dp of I 2 comma 2 2 comma 2. This is very easy. Just copy the first line. Right, Satyam and Deepika?
Yeah.
But b की जगह क्या लिखेंगे सत्यम?
D of I minus 1.
Yeah. Day of I.
और यहाँ पर भी चेंजेस हो जाएंगे. यहाँ पर पहले 2 2 था और 2 1 था. 1 1 हो जाएगा
1 1 होगा.
और 1
आगे
2 हो
पीछे.
जाएगा. Right guys? 1 1 and
Yes.
1 1. Let me check if it is correct or not. 1 1 and 1 2. ठीक है. Guys, each one of you know that the hardest formula is of dpi 2 of 1 क्योंकि हमने पहले से लिख के नहीं रखा है. So guys, 2 1 का बेसिक तो बताओ. 2 मतलब कौन सा एलिमेंट सिलेक्ट करना है? b या d लिखना है i में?
D of I plus D of I
Yeah.
minus 1.
बराबर है. 2 of 1 में ना d of I, ठीक है.
Plus
जो ये 2 था ना,
D of I minus 1.
2 था ना, 2 यहाँ पर आएगा. जो पहला नंबर इधर. Okay, this is d of I. Then comes b of I minus 1. इतना क्लियर है दीपिका सर?
yeah.
ऊपर वाला जैसा लिखता है. ठीक है, बस नंबर चेंज कर देने. क्लियर सत्यम एंड दीपिका? कोई बताना चाहेगा अंदर के स्टेट्स क्या होंगे इसके? थोड़ा दिमाग चाहिए उसके लिए. So let me check. One will be guys, I minus 2, 2 comma 1. I minus 2, 2 comma 1. Right, Satyam, Deepika? And the
Yeah.
other will be
Yeah.
2 comma 1 or other will be 2 comma 2. 2 comma 2.
Yes.
2 comma 2. And then it will be थर्ड का फॉर्मूला तुम लोग फिर से चेक कर सकते हो बुक में बना के, ठीक है? Then let me think I minus 2, 1 comma 2. 1 comma 2. So guys, let's check all the formulas before giving the final answer, ठीक है? So dpi1 में what we did, b of I plus b of I minus 1, then b of I plus d of I minus 1, then d of I plus b of I minus 1, then d of I plus d of I minus 1. Now let me check the max stuff if it is correct. I minus 2, 2, 2. Okay, this seems right. Then for this I minus 2, 1, 1. Then I minus 2, 1, 2. Then I minus 2, 2, 1. Okay. These formulas are a bit complicated and obviously this is not an easy problem. I minus 2, 2, 1. Then I minus 2, 2, 2. Then I minus 2, 1, 2. Okay. Then for this I minus 2, 1, 2. Then I minus 2, 1, 1. Okay. Guys, writing max is easy, but I am using MXI for this, okay? Because we are returning maximum of 3 numbers, right? Satyam and Deepika? So I just
Yes.
wanted to write a function here which
Yeah.
returns maximum of 3 numbers. Can you guys help me? What should I write? LLX, LY. You know na meaning of long int? I hope no one is confused, right? Deepika, Satyam? Return max of what? Can you tell me, Satyam? X comma max of Deepika? Okay. Satyam, are you there?
Yes.
Satyam, Piyush, are you there? Can you tell me how do we find the maximum of 4 numbers in C++? I'm writing the function for that. LLZ, LLG. Okay. So what you can do, Satyam? Can you tell me? Maximum of, let me check. X comma G. We compare the maximum of 2 with both the maximum. So we'll get the maximum of 4 numbers. Do you agree or not, Satyam?
Yes.
So here I wrote X comma G. What will come here in the second bracket?
Y
Y
and
comma
Z.
Y,
Z.
comma Z.
Y and Z.
Right.
Thank you guys for replying. So this is clear, this is clear, this is clear. Guys, can anyone copy paste the input for me from the question? Acha.
Sir, you missed max in line number 16. Maybe
Yeah, tell me what is the mistake.
in line number 16 there will be max. Return max, then max.
Okay, yeah, thank you guys for helping me. Let me run the code. I'm not printing the answer. I'm just checking that if this even works. There are always compilation errors, right? That's why. Right, Aryan Satyam. So let me check if there is some mistake. There might be. There might not be. Okay. TPDF long intel I did not write. Very good. The classic mistake. Very good. Highly impressed. So after that, any other thing? Yeah. So guys, what will be the final answer? Maximum of all the 4 states, right? Right, Satyam and Deepika and Aryan.
Yes.
So max के लिए ऊपर function लिखा हुआ है max. So what should I write here? Can anyone tell me? What are those 4 states? Satyam, DP, N, नहीं N आएगा. N है ना last में. P N of 1, then
DPN of 1 2.
okay, then
DPN of 2 2.
2, then
DPN of 2 1.
clear everyone, guys? Yes or no? Right? Yes or no in chat?
Yes.
Guys, is the answer correct?
Yes. 25.
Yeah.
Yes.
So the time complexity of this problem will be O of n only because we are running only one for loop and doing all the things which we wanted. Okay? You could run 2 for loop and do it 4 into n as well, but let's forget that. Guys, is this much clear? Yes or no? Yeah.
Yes,
So,
sir.
guys, in
Yes.
APNA, you should know how to upload
Yes,
the
yes.
okay. Now let's do some promotion as well. So paste the code like this, then we select the code, then we write it as formatted manner. Where is it? Yeah. Once it is done, everything is done. So Piyush and Aryan, you guys can stop the recording. Recording.